Okay, so it's ICUXX, and I normally don't do unboxings just because I can never guess what this is. But it's something special that I've been wanting for a long, long time now. And now I finally got it. So let's get this opened. Oh my god, these guys packages everything so hard. You might already guess what this is, but Opteka fisheye. Oh yes. So what I basically need to do, I need to remove my Raynox, because this guy, when we were skating, he threw my bag, and then one of the snap-on things for my Raynox broke. So I have to do it with this now. And I kind of have to hurry. Which, yeah, this one is the right one. Isn't this the right way? This might be the right way. Okay. Why do they have to do all these ties? Oh yeah. I'll take. Whoa. That's just sick. Yeah. Opteka Death Lens. I will be removing the sunshade, so no worries about that. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.